sun is out, but fall is here, and here at Drone Up, we're committed to getting you your Walmart fall items in 30 minutes or less. Let's shop. Nothing like gathering the family around the fire with some Alpine apple cider. Nothing says fall like cinnamon apple spice from Celestial Seasonings. Some herbal tea. Or maybe you're a coffee person. How about some Starbucks maple pecan ground coffee? Nothing says fall more than the king of items, pumpkin spice. Put it in your coffee, your tea, or any of your favorite baked goods. Now that you've got your cozy drink sorted, how about some snacks? Make some cookies with Nestle Toll House milk chocolate chips. And just like that, it's ready to go and coming over to you.